Why y'all didn't tell me? I forgot to show y'all my thermometer. What? That's cool. Let me see, because I didn't even open it at first. What was that? Dr. K in the building? And what's in here? Let's see. Oh, the cuffs. I think I'm going to start off using these. I think they would prefer me to use these. Whatever this is. My mother's going to show me how to use this anyways, because she's a medical assistant. So, and then this. I'm going to take my mother's blood pressure when she get home. Alright, that's that. And then it came with this. I don't know what this is. Oh, extra earbuds. I guess it's just extra stuff. I don't know. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully y'all can hear me. But we have a package today. Today's video consists of, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, yeah, it's heavy. So I ordered my books for second semester and I just got them today. So technically you wait 2 days to get the books or whatever you ordered. So mind you, I told y'all in my last video, I believe, I ended up ordering cuffs for the arm and like to take the blood pressure and a thermometer. And come to find out they give you one. So now I have 2. But that's good anyways. Might as well, right? So one of these books alone was $261. How? Anyway, here's the cuffs with the stethoscope. So yeah, I got this. It's a kit. I'll open it in a few. But yeah, I'm in second semester. So come to find out, they push the drawing the blood and the CPR back to next semester. So third semester. Which I'm a little bummed because I was beasting. Like, I was waiting for this point. But whatever. It would have been better to start now so we could get more practice because we start in third semester, so it's not going to be like a lot of practice, if that makes sense. I mean, it's 4 months each semester. So yeah, whatever. The first book we got is Law and Ethics for Health Professionals. Professions. This is how the book looks. 10th edition. This is the back. So are we going to be writing it here? That's one book. So we get 4 books altogether. Then we got the big textbook, which is for anatomy and physiology, the class I had yesterday, which was Thursday. Today is Friday, May 8th. This one is Ho's Essentials of Human Anatomy and Physiology, 15th edition. And this is how it looks. This is how thick it is. Yeah. So he did say we didn't want to buy this. I guess that we can use the ebook version, which is online. Which I could have did that too, but I like things to be in my face. Like, I like physical things, so I'm one of those. And then it just shows you the esophagus, thoracic cavity. Y'all want to learn with me? Because I could teach y'all for free. So yeah, just let me know. I can't wait to get to phlebotomy though. That's like, I wanted to go to school for that only before, but it was like, oh, you have to include it. It's included in medical assistance. Like, they would rather you do the whole medical assistance thing rather than just phlebotomy. Because I think for that, it's just like a certificate. I don't know. But I'm going for my associate. So, yeah. That's the second book. I hope I'm not talking and y'all can't hear me because I'm going to be tight. And then these two come together. I don't know why. Bro. Is this 2 of the same book? Wait. Medical assisting, administrative, and clinical procedures. And what's this? This is the same shit. Why they give me 2 books the same? Now I gotta speak to my advisor because I don't know what the hell this is. They gave me a soft covered book basically and a hardcover. Hello? Alright, y'all. Back to the video. So yeah, I got 2 of the same book, but one is hardcover and one is soft cover. I'm gonna speak to my advisor about that because we spend the money for what? To have the same thing? No. Yeah, that was everything that was in the box. Like I said in my last video, yesterday's class was pretty good. Obviously, we're going to get more in depth as the weeks go by. We actually get a test the 3rd week of school, so that's in 2 more weeks. So yeah, that's our first test. So we get 2 tests and a final in each class. Well, not in each class, but in some classes. But yeah, this was my video for now. I know it was short, but I just wanted to put y'all on and open it together with y'all because it did come today. And I was like, let me just wait to open it. Like, I opened the box, but I was like, no, let me do a video. So yeah. So I'll see you on my next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the rest, okay? Why y'all didn't tell me I forgot to show y'all my thermometer? Thermometer. What? That's cool. Let me see, because I ain't even open it. I hate how all of this stuff is dusty at first. Like, what was that? Dr. K? Dr. K in the building? And what's in here? Let's see. Oh, the cuffs. I think I'm gonna start off using these. I think they would prefer me to use these. Whatever this is. My mother's gonna show me how to use this anyways, because she's a medical assistant, so. And this. I'm gonna take my mother's blood pressure when she get home. Alright, that's that. And then it came with this. I don't know what this is. Oh, extra earbuds. I guess it's just extra stuff. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.